Rolls are quite popular around the world. Chicken roll is a delectable dish. There are many variations of this, but I will be showing a very simple chicken roll recipe. Take about 250 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes. Now add in all the spices. Add half teaspoon salt or as per your taste, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon cumin or Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 teaspoon curd, and now mix in all the spices. Let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Now in a pan, heat 2 teaspoon oil and fry the chicken. Cover it with a lid for some time or until the chicken is cooked. To add tandoori flavor or smoky flavor, burn some charcoal pieces, place it over the chicken using a foil wrap. Add some oil and cover it with a lid for about 10 to 15 minutes. Note that this is an optional step. To prepare the chutney, take handful of mint or Pudina leaves in a blender. Add 2 green chilies, 2 garlic cloves, few coriander or dhania leaves, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and blend this into a smooth paste. 3 teaspoon curd, to prepare the wraps or roll, place some chicken masala on a chapati or a roti. Add some mint chutney. Place some sliced onions. Sprinkle some lemon juice and roll it. You could use this masala for making sandwiches too. Take some butter on a pan and toast the sandwiches. You could heat these rolls on a tawa and serve hot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.